Hey guys, Luck here. So today we're going to be looking at the Haylou RT versus the Honor Band 6. We're going to be looking at which of them is better for you to buy. So both of them are definitely devices that are geared towards people who are living a more active lifestyle, who like sports. Both of them do have dedicated sporting modes. So first, let's start off with the Haylou RT. So the Haylou RT is definitely an excellent device. I love the way it feels in the hand. It definitely has the build quality and the feel of a watch. Although some parts of it do not feel premium, but that's to be expected for the price tag of about 39 US dollars. So when you look at some of the features that it has, you have the heart rate monitor. You have the heart rate monitor here. You also have some dedicated sporting modes. You have about 12 dedicated sporting modes on this device, which you can use when you go to the gym or when you go to do other various activities as well. You do have the heart rate monitor. The heart rate monitor is something that I think is pretty good on this device. You can view your heart rate monitor by going to the app from your app gallery, or you can view it on your watch face. Depending on the watch face that you choose, you'll be able to see the heart rate monitor as well. This does have sleep monitoring as well as the breathing exercise. So you can change the watch faces on the phone by going to your settings and going to watch faces, and you can change the watch faces that way, or you can go to the main screen and click down on your phone and change the watch faces that way. So when you pull down, you get the settings. You also get the do not disturb button. You have the brightness, and you also have the find my phone feature on the device, which is pretty cool. When you swipe up, it takes you to the app gallery, and swiping to the side, you get things like your activities record, your heart rate monitor, your sleep tracking as well to show you your light sleep and your deep sleep. And you also have the weather report. You have the breathing exercise. So that's some of the features of the Haylou GT3. So comparing this to that of the Honor Band 6, the Honor Band 6 I think is something that is really amazing. The Honor Band 6 comes in a 1.47 AMOLED display, which is extremely clear, especially during incredible sunlight. It's something that is really clear and a device that I definitely like. So one of the features that I love about the Honor Band 6 is the fact that it has a blood oxygen monitor, a SpO2 monitor. That is something that is really amazing. This also has a stress monitor as well as the heart rate monitor. It also has workout mode, as this is a fitness band geared towards people who are doing exercise. This has about 10 different workout modes, which you can choose from when you want to do your workout activity. So when you swipe down, you get almost the same thing you get on the Haylou RT. You just get some quick settings like the do not disturb, the alarm clock, the find my device, as well as the settings. When you swipe up, instead of going to the app gallery, when you swipe up, you get the notifications. You get the notifications from your phones. When you swipe to the side, you get different apps, just the same way you get on the Haylou RT, which is something that's pretty cool. So when we go for the settings, you'll be able to change your watch face from the settings as well. You'll be able to change to different watch faces. And something that you should note is that the Honor Band 6 does have more watch faces compared to that of the Haylou RT. The Haylou RT just has about 4 default watch faces on the watch itself and about, I think, 6 to 10 on the app. So for my recommendation, I would just say, if you are someone who doesn't need something like the blood oxygen monitor or the stress monitor, then you can pick up the Haylou RT. Or if you're someone who is interested in the build quality of a watch instead of the build quality of a band, then you can pick up the Haylou RT. But for my recommendation, I would definitely recommend the Honor Band 6 or something like the Mi Band 6. They are definitely devices that are filled with more features and feel more premium and more likable compared to the Haylou RT. Although the Haylou RT does look like a watch and does look like it has a bigger display, I would definitely choose the Honor Band 6 any day. The Honor Band 6 is something that has really amazing features, and the app for the Honor Band 6 is very well optimized compared to that of the Haylou RT. So you can choose any one of the both of them you want depending on your stance, and you can feel free to ask me any questions down in the comment section below. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.